to fix mouse not working in Valorant. Mouse not working in Valorant. Here is all you need to know about how to fix the mouse not working. According to many players on social media, the recent Valorant update has a bug because of which players are unable to use their mouse inside the game. However, some report says that a single button of the mouse not working, while for some others, the entire mouse is losing all functionalities in the game. But there is nothing to worry about, as both these issues require the same solution. First of all, restart your Valorant in administrator mode. One of the most suggested fixes. Many players tried this solution and it has reportedly solved the issue for many players. Here is all you need to do is open the admin mode and simply restart the game. Then reinstalling the Valorant. One of the classic fixes. By reinstalling any game or app, players can avoid the risk of corrupting the file by following any unconventional means. Using this method also helps them to download and reboot the latest version of the game. You can choose to uninstall Valorant from your device and then reinstall it from the official website of Valorant Riot Games. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.